अस्सलाम वालेकुम। तो ये मेरे पास कुछ गेस्ट आए थे टीएसी रेजिडेंसी पे, जो एक स्मॉल गेस्ट हाउस है ख्योड़ा में, स्विट्ज़रलैंड से। ये फैमिली थे, इनके पेरेंट्स थे, बेटा और बेटी। तो ये स्विट्ज़रलैंड से 7 महीने पहले चले हैं और वर्ल्ड टूर के ऊपर थे, तो ख्योड़ा ये पहुँचे हैं आज ही। तो ये उनके पास ये वैन है जिसे वो कहते हैं और मोबाइल होम, चलता फिरता घर। तो वैन बड़ी इंटरेस्टिंग थी। उनकी गाड़ी जो है ना, हर चीज़ सोलर पैनल लगा हुआ था। तो मैंने कहा चले आपसे शेयर करते हैं।
This is our van. We have all the food in here.
That's very nice.
This is a turnable seat. We can turn it.
This one.
Yes, this also.
Right. This is also turnable.
Yes. Then we have a fridge here. Swiss cheese. My parents brought Swiss cheese. We have magnetic glass, real glass.
Very nice.
Some more storage here. Oh, very bumpy road here. Very bumpy road.
Bumpy road.
We have water here. I put this small button here, and it starts to run.
Actually, there's a,
Yes, there is a small
underneath
button.
the small button.
Yeah. If I close it, you can see small button. And with this button, I can switch on the water. All we need to cook. Some more, all the plates. Very important, our bathroom with mirror.
And where is the washroom?
We use this,
This one.
and we have toilet in here. I open this. I take this away, and this is our toilet. See? Toilet.
Very nice.
Little bit smelly.
No, it's okay.
Is it? Oh, too much bumpy road. No more food. And for washing. And the best, I show you the best. The best, we can move forward.
I see.
And then the back can go down
Work it on.
all the way. And then we have 1 meter 40, 2 meter.
Very amazing bed.
Very amazing bed. We have one fan here and one more roof fan up here. And we can cook here.
And you have cylinder for the cooking.
Yes, of
Gas
course.
cylinder.
Gas cylinder is in the back.
In the back side.
And also shower is in the back. We can see.
Very nice.
Take care. We protect from the mosquitoes. This is the foldable bed.
I see.
Not more storage.
Okay.
Or we can store. We have bicycle. It's a foldable bike.
Foldable
You
bicycle.
can extend and we can use. This is gas cylinder.
I
Over
see.
here we have 100-liter water.
Water storage. Water storage.
Yes, and
This is shower.
Shower. We can shower here. We put a curtain in between here.
Yeah. And you can then sit here.
Yes. That's it. That's our
That's
home.
it. Thank you. Thank you. So great. Better I have to live here also. I am thinking to live here. I said off at my home, I also start living. आखिर में हमारी मीटिंग हुई, बिजनेस डिस्कशन। तो उसके अंदर भी अब इंशाल्लाह ताला वेरी सून स्विट्ज़रलैंड के अंदर भी हम अपना हिमालयन पिंक सॉल्ट ख्योड़ा से एक्सपोर्ट कर रहे होंगे। दैट वाज अ गुड विजिट। बड़ी अच्छी डिस्कशन भी हो गई। थोड़ा सॉल्ट माइन भी उन्होंने विजिट किया और बड़ा पसंद आया उन्हें ख्योड़ा सॉल्ट माइन। बड़ा अप्रिशिएट किया उन्होंने यहाँ के लोगों को, स्पेशली सॉल्ट माइन जो नेचुरल ब्यूटी है सॉल्ट की। दे वर वेरी इम्प्रेस्ड। थैंक यू।